Welcome to Product Critique. If you're on the hunt for the best mountain bike with suspension and disc brakes, your search ends here. Today, we're diving deep into the AVASTA Earth 26/27.5-inch mountain bike, a feature-packed ride that offers performance, durability, and comfort for adult riders. Let's break it down. Right off the bat, this mountain bike looks sharp. With its lightweight aluminum frame and sleek lines, it's designed not just for strength but for style too. You can choose between 26-inch and 27.5-inch wheels depending on your preference and terrain needs, and each version comes with 1.95-inch all-terrain tires, perfect for gripping gravel, trails, or urban roads. These tires also come with a quick-release mechanism, so swapping them out or transporting the bike is a breeze. But what really sets the AVASTA Earth apart is its switchable suspension fork. That's right, you can toggle the suspension to match the road ahead. Whether you're riding rough terrain or cruising flat paths, you get to control the comfort level, giving you adaptability in ways most entry-level mountain bikes just don't offer. The 21-speed Shimano gear system is smooth, responsive, and designed for riders who want to switch gears seamlessly on climbs, descents, or straightaways. Whether you're biking uphill or coasting downhill, this system gives you precision and control. Now let's talk braking, because nothing matters more than stopping safely. The AVASTA Earth features dual disc brakes on both the front and rear wheels. This means consistent and reliable stopping power even in wet, muddy, or steep conditions. These brakes are a major upgrade from traditional V-brakes, offering peace of mind especially on challenging terrain. Comfort is another highlight here. The saddle is ergonomically designed and fully adjustable, so whether you're short, tall, or somewhere in between, you'll find a riding position that suits you. The handlebars are well positioned for a relaxed grip, and the overall geometry of the frame supports long rides without excessive strain. What's also great is the ease of setup. The bike arrives 75% pre-assembled, and the brand provides an installation video to guide you through the rest. It's a solid option for riders who want to avoid the hassle of complex assembly. In terms of accessories, this bike keeps it clean and minimal. It doesn't come with a rear cargo rack or fenders, but the streamlined build means less weight and more speed. And while there's no headlight included, you're free to customize with your own lighting setup if you plan to ride at night. Now, let's talk price. At around $269.99 to $279.99, the AVASTA Earth offers premium features that punch above its price tag. You're getting aluminum construction, disc brakes, a suspension fork, and Shimano components, a rare combo in this price range. To wrap things up, the AVASTA Earth mountain bike is a serious contender for anyone looking to get into mountain biking or upgrade from a basic model. With switchable suspension, precise gearing, powerful brakes, and a stylish, sturdy build, this bike delivers on every front. This is Product Critique, helping you find the right gear for the right ride. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you want us to review more bikes or gear in this category. See you on the next ride.